Hello everyone, here's a quick tutorial on how to add the new Glow V2 updated contract address to your Metamask wallet. You want to first log into your Metamask application. Ensure that you've set your network to the Binance Smart Chain mainnet. On the bottom, locate the import tokens and click on that button. It will bring you into your custom page. You'll want to have already copied and prepare your paste function of the new address, and I've already done so. So you want to also ensure that it ends in D6A9 for our new token address. Once you click next and next, you should see that the token symbol of Glow V2 appears, as well as the token precision of 9. Once that's validated, click the import button. And then wait a few seconds. And if your airdrop has already completed, you'll see that your new token count with your bonus, if you have held throughout the week, you should have an 8% bonus in your wallet. All of that should be present. If not, we'll ask for a little bit of time while we are still processing your updates and come back and refresh. Your token should be visible. I want to thank all of the community and thank the members for your support and your patience as we work through this migration. We have many exciting news and things ahead. So much success to you, and thanks again for all of your support. Have a good day.